Is your iPhone stuck on the red battery icon or the low battery screen? Don't panic, we've got you covered. This issue can happen for a bunch of reasons like software glitches, a faulty charger, or even battery problems. In this guide, I'll take you through step-by-step solutions to help fix those problems and get your iPhone back up and running in no time. Let's dive in. Solution 1. Force restart your iPhone while charging. First, plug your iPhone into a charger. After that, press the volume up button, then the volume down button. Quickly press and hold the power button. Hold it for about 30 seconds. If this doesn't work, press and hold only the power button for 30 seconds instead. Solution 3. Use a different charger and cable. Sometimes the issue might be with your charging equipment or power source. Use an Apple certified charger and cable to make sure everything is compatible. Then try a different power outlet to rule out any issues with your current one. Next, if possible, use another charger to see if that resolves the problem. Solution 3. Let your iPhone charge for a while. If your iPhone's battery is extremely low, it might need extra time to respond. Plug your iPhone into a charger and leave it for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, press and hold the side button to try turning it on. If the red battery icon disappears, it just means your iPhone needs more charging time. If you've tried all these steps and your iPhone is still stuck, it's a good idea to reach out to Apple support for further assistance, as it might be a hardware issue. Hopefully, this solution's worked out for you. Let me know in the comments if this guide helped or if you have any other questions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. See you in the next one.